We bowl off with cricket. The West Indies will be looking to stop a consecutive series defeats at home in T20 internationals this year when they oppose New Zealand in Game 2 of their three-match series at Sabina Park on Friday. Jerome Foster has our preview.
The West Indies slumped to 49 for 4 inside 7 overs in their chase of 185 for 5 made by the Kiwis on Wednesday, which rocked the chase and pushed the regional team on the back foot throughout the encounter. They eventually fell 13 runs short after an onslaught from all-rounders Romario Shepherd and Odin Smith in a 58-run 8th wicket stand. However, despite his career-best performance in the encounter with the bat, Smith is calling on the top order to show more game awareness.
I wouldn't say frustrating. The guys went out today and they didn't apply themselves. But it's a team. If they don't do it at the top, we the guys in the middle or at the bottom have to come, and do what we have to do. So I wouldn't say it's frustrating. I just think we have to perform as a team, because if the guys went out today and gave us a good start, I think it would be easier for us at the back end than to just come in, and trying to get 20 runs over, which is difficult for us.
In 23 chases in excess of 175, the Windies have only been successful 4 times, and captain Nicholas Puran says his team can rebound from Wednesday's defeat with a couple tweaks.
The rules are clear in saying that obviously Hetty got a short ball, that's his strength, but I know he'll learn from it, and in that situation he might want to hit that in the ground or maybe hit it in the gap. But I'm not going to kill the batsman, to be honest. I think we're getting better and better at it, and again, the more games we play, we'll get better. And hurting obviously losing obviously hurts us a lot, and we're trying our best. A couple things have to go in our favour a bit as well, and things will be alright.
The Kiwis are now unbeaten in 5 matches in the format against the Caribbean team, and their skipper Kane Williamson wants his team to stamp their authority in Game 2.
The power's always there in the West Indies side, so for us it's just trying to stay calm, execute our plans as best we can, and and hope that's good enough, and we know that they're going to keep coming hard, and for us it's sticking to our plans.
The match bowls off at 1:30 p.m. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.